Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Amazon affiliate links to YouTube Shorts. So this is going to be a very simple tutorial, follow along. So first things first, you're going to want to go to your YouTube channel, and from here, you're just going to tap this here, it says create, and after that, we're going to click upload video. Now here, you can drag and drop video files to upload, or basically you can just search it from your profile. So I'm just going to choose the first option. I'm going to drag and drop video files here. Now that we are here, there are a few things that I want you to do. First things first, here we're going to change the title. So depending on you, it could be anything. So in my case, I'm just going to leave it at that, best app workout. And we're going to scroll down here. We're going to click this one. No, it's not made for kids. And next thing is we're going to click next. All right, next once again. All right, so no issues found for the copyright. We're going to click next, and then we're going to public this one. And we're going to click publish. All right, close. So now as you can see, this is the Shorts logo. We can then see this in our YouTube Shorts. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to click this one here. Now, if you are thinking of adding your Amazon affiliate links to your description, it's actually not going to be a very good idea because no one actually checks the description these days. Instead, they check the comments more often. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to aim for the comments. We're going to click this one here. And then we are going to search for that particular link or particular product that we are going to try to promote. So this one. So it's actually related to the video that I have. So this is going to be like a ab roller wheel for effective abs and core strengthening. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go up here, click get link, and then copy this one. We're going to go back here, and then we're going to add a comment from here. So we're just going to type here, best roller for abs workout. So that's just what I'm going to type, and then I'm going to click shift and enter in order to go to the next line. And then basically paste the link here, and then I'm going to post this as comment. And then the next thing that we're going to do is just tap this here, and we're going to pin our comments. After pinning our comments, every time people see this video, they're going to want to check the comments, and then this is the thing that they are going to see. Instead of going to the description, which actually not a lot of people check these days, they will go most often to the comment section. And yes, congratulations, that is how you're going to add Amazon affiliate links to YouTube Shorts.